issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Harford County in northern Maryland, east central Carroll County in north central Maryland, Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Baltimore City in northern Maryland, until 2 o'clock a.m. At 9:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. Radar estimates that up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen across northern Baltimore County. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 2 inches can be expected as far south as Baltimore City. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include Police Quarters, Kearney, Cockeysville, Middle River, Milford Mill, Owings Mills, Parkville, Reisterstown, Gwynst Falls, Clifton Park, and Baltimore. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, underpasses, and other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Act quickly if flash flooding is observed. Move to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.